and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reading Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. Before we begin, we're going to do our belly breath, okay? So put your hand on your belly. We're going to breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. We're going to do it 3 times, okay? Ready? 1. Breathe in and out. And in. And out. And one more time, in. And out. Good job. All right, now let's do our song. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen during story time, during story time. All right, let's read our book. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. All those numbers from 1 to 20. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a lot of numbers. 1 told 2 and 2 told 3. I'll race you to the top of the apple tree. Climb, said 4 to 5 and 6. Write little numbers to join the mix. Hurry, yelled 7 to number 8. Slowpoke fellow who's always late. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? Here comes 9 to the apple tree. Next comes 10 and then 11. Wow, these apples taste like heaven. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? Hopping 12 and lucky 13, picking apples red and green. 14, 15, can you see? They all want to climb the apple tree. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? 16's next to make the scene, climbing branches at 17. 18, 19, one more is 20, numbers, there are plenty. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Curvy 30, flatfoot 40, climbing up to join the party. 50's fine and 60's dandy, 70's hair is long and sandy. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Let's climb more, says treetop 80, higher, higher, up to 90, until at last there's 99, and all the numbers feeling fine, except for 0 who begins to cry. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Oh no, buzzing close, bumbles bees, 0 hides behind the tree. Get out of the tree, the bumblebees shout, and all the numbers tumble out. 90, 80, 70 fall, hit the ground, it's a free-for-all. 60, 50, 40 run, no more climbing, no more fun. 30 next, and sweet little 20, numbers, no longer plenty. 19, 18, my oh my, frightened numbers jump and fly. 17, 16, 15 more, and a 14 has hit the floor. And 13, too, unlucky guy. 12 had almost touched the sky. Beat up 11, wait, where's 10? 9, 8, 7, follow then. Twisted 6 and top hat 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take a dive. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, now I know the place for me. 10 leaps into the sky, brave little number, he's not shy. Lands on top of the tree, joins with 10, now 100 you see. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, here's the place for me. All the numbers come back out, higher and higher as they shout. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, 0's hero of the number tree. My goodness, I think it would take too long for us to count to 100. But if you want to pause the video now and count, you are welcome to. Alright guys, that's the end of our story. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!